Hello again. Thank you for watching this video and for studying math with me. This video's topic is applications of multiplication. These are word problems and they're involving fractions. Now the key steps to follow, we've studied these before, but it's still important to follow these. You read the problems, work out a plan, do some estimating, and do the calculation. Now the problems we're going to be studying are all going to involve multiplication, so we're going to be focusing on these words, but as we go forward you'll have to recognize what you need to do with each type problem, so be on the lookout for indicator words. Now what follows is going to be another application for you to pause the video, look at the problems, try to work them, and then start the video again to see if you got them right. So here are a handful of examples that we're going to do. I'm going to ask you to pause the video and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so I am back in a bit and we are going to work these problems. Here you have 17 over 18 times 9 over 14. So what's going to happen is 9 goes into 9 once, 9 goes into 18 two times. 7 goes into 7 once, 7 goes into 14 twice. Multiplying across the top and the bottom, I get that this is 1/4 and it is a square yard. The next problem, what we're going to do is we're going to be multiplying the whole number 560 over 1 times 3 over 28. Now 28 goes into 28 once and 28 goes into 560 20 times. So when I multiply across the top I get 60 over 1 and that ends up being 60. In the next problem you have someone buying a car for $15,500 and it is worth 4/5 of its value after a year, so this is what we're multiplying. So we have a common factor. So 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into this 3,100 times. And so we're taking 4 times 3,100, and when we do that we're going to have 12,400 over 1, or 12,400 being our answer. The last example is a family that made $98,600 and they are going to have to pay taxes on 3 over 20 for that. And so what we're going to say is 20 goes into 20 once, and we have to figure out how many times 20 goes into that, and it will go evenly. So 20 goes into 98600. It'll go 4 times here, and so that will be 800. Let's see, it'll go, actually, excuse me, it's 4 times here, and that'll be 80, and then I will subtract, and so that is going to be 20, let's see, it's 800, so it's going to be, here we go, let's do it over here. So 20, every 100 there'll be 5, so this is going to be 5 times 9860. That's another way that I could have done it. And this is going to be 0, carry the 3, carry the 4, and that is going to be 4930. And then I'm going to take 4930 times 3, and I'm going to get 097, carry the 2 is 14. So they're going to have to pay $14,790 in taxes. So you have a handful of examples that we did. I'm going to close now saying time is precious, each day must count. Do the math that makes you strong. Students should read the book and do problems in the book until they're proficient on this. But for now, take care and see you in class.